In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a HubSpot newsletter. Whether you're reaching out to your existing customers or nurturing new leads, creating a professional-looking newsletter is a critical step in maintaining connection with your audience. With just a few easy steps, you'll be on your way to crafting a compelling newsletter that keeps your contacts informed and engaged. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on it. This will lead you to a variety of login options. Opt for the Sign in with Google button and select your preferred Google account. This step streamlines the login process and allows you to directly access your HubSpot dashboard without any unnecessary hurdles. After you've successfully logged in, focus on navigating to the CRM section. This can be easily accomplished by following a link directly from your dashboard or menu options. Once in the CRM, look for a section labeled Message Templates. This is where the magic of crafting your newsletter truly begins. In the Message Templates area, click on New Template. Here, HubSpot provides you with the freedom to start with a clean slate. Choose the option labeled From Scratch. Starting from scratch ensures that your template and ultimately your newsletter is uniquely suited to your brand's needs and aesthetic. Now, you'll start filling out some key information about your newsletter. Begin by entering a name. This is purely for your organizational purpose, so select a name that's easy to remember and related to the newsletter's content or audience. Next, you'll need to supply a compelling subject. The subject line is what grabs the attention of your recipients. Keep it direct yet intriguing. Now comes the heart of your newsletter, the body. Use this space to convey your message clearly and engagingly. Whether you're sharing company updates, upcoming events, or valuable tips, ensure that your content is concise and valuable to your readers. Remember, clarity is key. Once you're satisfied with the body of your newsletter, you're nearing completion. But before you finish, don't forget to click on Save Template. Saving your template ensures that your hard work won't be lost and you have the ability to revisit and use it for future newsletters. For added personalization, HubSpot offers options that allow you to tailor your messages even further by clicking Personalize. This can significantly enhance the engagement level of your newsletters by making each email feel more individualized to its recipient. Setting up a HubSpot newsletter doesn't have to be cumbersome. Now that you know the steps, you have everything you need to start crafting impactful messages that keep your audience connected with your brand. That wraps up our tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.